As a trainer, people often ask me, how do you handle your stress? Oh, you look so smiling all the time. How do you avoid your stress? Well, one thing's for sure, you can't avoid stress. But what you can do is you can tackle your stress in a better manner. Hi friends, my name is Shagufta, and today I'm going to talk to you about 3 things that helped me manage my stress, and I thought of sharing it with you so it helps you too. They say if you can't change your stressor, then focus your time and energy in changing your own self. Which means if you cannot change the current situation that's giving you stress, then you might as well want to look at something else, something within you. You might as well want to look at changing your own self. And with that thought, let's talk about these 3 ways that helped me in managing my stress in these real difficult times. So, number 1 is change the way you think about the current situation. Now, of course, that's what is called as reforming or restructuring your mind, converting those naturally occurring negative thoughts into positive thinking, and then to be able to spot out the opportunities that are there right there. Now, how do you do that? What I did was, of course, we all were stuck in this lockdown and unable to go out or move out, but that was an opportunity, that was a blessing in disguise for me. I used that time to spend with my parents, which I wasn't able to do so. And I guarantee you, in the last 1 year, I have strengthened my relationship with my parents. Okay, point number 2 is change what you are doing. Now, do something new. Of course, what I did was, now that I had all the time in the world, I started exercising. That was something that was long due, and I always wanted to do it. So I started exercising. I started eating right. I started cooking for my own self, and I started eating the right food, and I started exercising well. I'm taking care of my health right now. Do different things, do the things that you always wanted to do and you had no time to do that. Play the guitar, learn a music instrument, learn a new language, do that online course that you wanted to register. Do those things. And the last point, guys, is change your environment. Now, the ideal thing to do here is to be as close to nature as possible. And of course, it's a proven science that if you are close to nature, it helps lowers your blood pressure level, and it also reduces your stress hormone cortisol. Stress doesn't have to kill us. In fact, it can elevate us. But you'll have to learn to tackle your stress right. I hope you found this video informative, and I hope it helps you in some way. I will come back very soon with some more useful tips. Do share your comments in the comment section below, and until then, please remember, there will always be 2 things. Things that we can control and things that we cannot control. So let's focus our energies and our time in things that we can control. Until next time, take good care of yourself and stay positive, guys.